Hi guys, I'm back again with a super easy Chrissy treat that you can make out camping or even at home.
I have two fun recipes. The first, a reindeer cookie, and the second, a cute little snowman biscuit.
The ingredients are pretty simple, all from the local supermarket, and nothing needs refrigerating. For the reindeer you'll need oval biscuits, Nutella, strawberry creams, tiny teddies, pretzels and some little eyes. Now it's time to have some fun. Start with the Nutella base, pop on the eyes, cute little nose and finish with the antlers. And for the snowman you'll need circle biscuits, frosting, raisins, coconut, apricots and something for the eyes. And to make our little snowman, we start with our ready-made frosting, sprinkle with a little bit of coconut, pop on his eyes, little smiley mouth, and a slither of apricot for his nose. Repeat the process to make a big batch, and you can even get the kids involved. Well, there you go guys, super easy Chrissy treat that anyone can make, and they taste pretty good too. Oi! Happy Christmas!